Hey, what's going on, guys? Back here again with another video. Hope you guys are having an absolutely fantastic day. I know I am. And time to pay attention to the birthday boy. Happy birthday, Colin!
Happy birthday to me!
Yay, Colin's birthday! And today, in honor of his birthday, yesterday we went to an airplane place that let us see a bunch of airplanes. There's just one airplane that we really like called the Ghost Rider. And it had machine guns on the side and it was super cool. And they let us go inside one of the airplanes and it was super cool. But today we built our own Delta airplane. Colin, where are you going? So yeah, time to go inside. Alright, now without any further ado, let's pretend. Oh, wait, no. Without any further ado, let's pretend. Alright, I'm at the airport. Now, alright, now I need to get, excuse me, sir, where is my plane? We're in the Delta airport, by the way. Your plane is route 304. 304? Okay. Oh, there it is. The private plane. Throw my bag inside of the cockpit. Alright, now I'm ready to have some fun.
The cockpit is up here.
Oh, the cockpit. Yeah, let me put it right here.
Thank you for your welcome, sir.
You're welcome, Captain. Whoa! This plane is so luxurious. I love this plane. All right, Colin. We're ready to take off.
All right, Tom. We'll be taking off now. In 3, 2, 1.
Wow, Junior, you barely made it. We were about to take off. All right, let's see what luxuries this thing has. Boop. Whoa, a TV. Cool. Let me see if they have Pokemon on. Yes, Pokemon.
What do y'all call my phone for, man? I don't know what my phone is.
Oh, okay. Okay, I don't know. Hey, Colin, can you call it? Call it while you pretend, okay? All right.
I say, okay, we are now up in the air.
Whoa, turbulence! Phew, safe flying from here. This is so much fun. Let me get the Switch. First the
I
Nintendo.
put the autopilot on. Now you can
Thanks.
fly safe.
Thank you. All right. Whoa, Captain, you put a Nintendo Switch inside of here?
Yes.
Cool.
Private planes are private and fun.
Cool. Let's play some videos games.
I want Pokemon.
Pretend we're playing.
Okay.
All right, now what should we do next?
Ding, 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 ding.
How long is this flight gonna take again? Like
3 hours.
3 hours? It's gonna take 3 hours? Well, better buckle up.
We're going out of control.
Quick!
I need to get back to the
Quick,
back to the
activate the
cockpit.
emergency. The engine is acting up. Activate emergency engine. Boop, 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 boop. Phew. Good thing we activated the emergency engine.
boost in the gas.
What the? We're under attack.
We need to get the weapons out. Weapons deployed.
Activate exploding drone. Shoot! Whoa, we exploded that ship. It's safe flying from here. All right.
It has been 2 hours.
It's only been 2 hours.
Only one more hour.
Wait, no. No, it's 5 hours.
Oh man.
I'm getting kind of tired. I guess I'll go to bed. Wait, you said it's gonna take 2 days to get here. Fine. The next morning. Hey, Captain.
Yeah.
Oh, hey, Captain. What are you doing?
What the heck are we on the?
What?
the security footage where we were asleep. Some guy shoot us down.
We're quick. The emergency engine is down. Activate. Super duper emergency autopilot.
The autopilot already is on.
Wait,
The autopilot was on when I got in here.
emergency autopilot. Engage.
We only have 2 autopilots.
I'm gonna install a third one. You guys get some rest. Finally. Now let's attack that guy who destroyed our security.
Turn into Ghost Rider. Boom, bam, boom, boom,
Boom, boom, bam. All right. I think. All right, let me go visit where your workstation is at. Your workstation looks pretty comfortable.
Well, no passengers can come on here. Oh, if you're wearing a captain suit or anything, you can come on here.
All right, we're ready for our snacks.
Okay.
We want snacks.
Okay, this is the magic one that has snacks. Which snacks do you want?
I want Cheetos and juice boxes.
Cheetos and juice boxes. Here
Yum,
you go.
nom, 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 nom.
Now, what do you want?
Hot dogs, Cheetos, and fruit drink.
Hot dogs,
Hot dogs, Cheetos, and
fruit
orange.
drink.
Yeah, orange juice. Yeah. Here you go.
Hey, guys.
Ah, we're going down. I need to get back in the cockpit.
Activate. Wait a sec.
We only have 1 autopilot.
Activate super duper ultra emergency autopilot that can never be destroyed.
Stop making autopilot, Travis.
All right, this autopilot is kind of unstable, so don't do anything to mess with it. Tuner! The emergency autopilot! No! I need to fix it! Phew. The spark fixed it, but we can't take any risk.
We can't take any risk. We're gonna have to crash.
Nope, we can't. The emergency super ultra autopilot has our back. I think those Cheetos gave me diarrhea. I need to go use it. Wait, no, you can't use it. I'm using it.
You can't use it.
Oh God. Oh God. Anyway, that's gonna do it for this video. In the life.